Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will answer the question: do you need to buy an official Samsung charger in order to charge your Samsung S25 Plus, or can you use a non-Samsung one? Let's begin. Now, as you can see, I have here some random non-Samsung cable that has God only knows how many years. Different color in different places, and is currently fixed using duct tape. But what's important is that the power adapter itself is made by a pretty not well-known indie company. You may have seen this logo before, you may have not. They're very humble, so they don't like to get themselves to known to public. And they're so indie, which is why their phones are so expensive. Obviously, because they don't have enough money, and all the other stuff. So I just plug that into electricity, and now I can plug the second part in to our Samsung. And as you can see, it is working flawlessly. So you don't have to buy an official Samsung charger. You may want to, since it should increase the lifespan of your battery and decrease its aging, but many people don't actually believe that, and they say the companies actually lie to them, so they buy new chargers every time they buy a new phone. But you can easily just use whatever power adapter and whatever charger you like. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.